So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand policies. Now you want to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to find Windows. We're going to expand Windows. And then once you've expanded Windows, you want to right click on it. And then click on new. And then click on key. You want to call this key installer. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did. And then click on enter. Now you want to click on the installer folder. Make sure that you're now in the installer folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that the last folder here says installer. And now once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword for 8-bit value. You want to call this disable MSI. Again, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. And now you want to double click on disable MSI. And now once this comes up, make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 0. So under value data, you want to have the number 0 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.